At the Onkaparinga Valley Footy Club, we applied for the grant through the Adelaide Hills Council for this safety net behind us and found it a really good process.
I found it really easy to do. I'd encourage anybody to have a go at it. We need this sort of support so that communities like ours can prosper, have great facilities, brings the community around. It's fantastic, so I'd encourage you to get out there and apply for one. So in terms of preparing for a grant, it's a good idea to go and get a number of quotes, get some photos of the location, make sure you've planned things out, thought it through, and then when you do sit down behind the computer to fill out the grant application, all the information's there for you and you're well organised.
It's a massive difference. As community footy clubs, everybody's volunteers, so money's always tight. So to be able to get some assistance from the Adelaide Hills Council is really great and enables us to do these projects that we couldn't do without that support.